ride, not to escape life, but to meet it more fully. There is something curious about the motorcycle. It asks for your complete attention, not tomorrow's worries, not yesterday's regrets, only this moment. Some will say it is dangerous, and perhaps it is. But so too is living half awake, watching the world through a screen, mistaking comfort for safety and routine for living. On the road, something different happens. You begin to notice the subtle things, the warmth of the sun shifting across your shoulders, the cool air settling in the valleys, the changing scent of the land as the miles unfold. And in this awareness, you realize you are not separate from the journey. You are part of it. There is a quiet understanding between riders, a wave as you pass, a shared knowing that needs no words, because riding is not merely transportation, it is participation. The helmet goes on, and the noise of the world softens. What remains is the simple rhythm of breath and motion. And in that rhythm, many discover something they have been searching for. Not excitement, not escape, but presence. So perhaps we do not ride to reach a destination at all. Perhaps we ride to remember what it feels like to be truly alive.